Hi everyone, today we are going to introduce mobile payment technologies and application. We are going to introduce our topic in this order. The first part is the introduction of mobile payment. With the development of wireless technology and a need to eliminate the usage of cash or card while dealing with money, mobile e-commerce comes into the stage. Mobile payment generally refers to the payment method initiated by a portable device, such as a mobile phone, tablet, or wearable device. There are different technologies being used in the mobile payment. Next, we are going to talk about the payment architecture.
Typically, there are five major components in a mobile payment system as shown in the figure. They are client, vendor, mobile operator, bank, and third-party payment institution. All details of the technical principle are explained in the report. The first one is the QR code.
Currently, QR code is used in various things in our lives. Unlike a barcode, it is a geometric figure that can store many information and represent more data types. QR code regularly distributes the black and white blocks on the plane according to particular encoding rules, wherein the black and white blocks respectively represent the binary bits 1 and 0 of the internal logic basis of computer. In actual use, the merchant can present a QR code that binds his cards to the customer. Next, the customer identifies the QR code presented by the merchant through a QR code scanning interface. Alternatively, the customer generates a QR code that binds his cards. Merchant scans the QR code and conducts the transaction. This technology is a graphic symbol recognition technology based on image recognition technology encoding principle. Details of the technical principle are explained in the report.
Now we will move to the web payment. As shown in the figure here, there are five major components involved. There are Alipay web process, the user, the client app from the vendor, the Alipay client SDK, and the Alipay server and the vendor server. The customer signs the order and the key is stored by the server. For security reasons, the client only needs to transfer the order number and generates a signature on the server. Communication security is very crucial in this scenario. RSA is used to encrypt information and secure communication. Next is the introduction of NFC technology.
Mobile payment is what makes NFC popular recently. There are several primary NFC payments tools like Alipay, Samsung Pay, and Huawei Pay. All of them are using the NFC card emulation function. But instead of storing the full information of a credit card, these applications hold a unique code token. When processing payment, the NFC communication passes the token to POS, and then the POS sends token and deal amount to the bank. The bank will finalize the deal. During the payment process, mobile devices typically do not need to establish a network connection to ensure the safety of payment. Secure element is necessary for devices. For example, Apple devices Touch ID and Face ID are used to read token and confirm the deal. Now let's move to the future applications.
So for future directions, two main feature paths will be introduced. One is face recognition payment and the other is palm vein payment. For face recognition, a person's face information is transformed into a face print from a face scanning through a digital camera. Big names such as Alibaba, Tencent, and JD.com have already integrated these payment methods into some retail stores. For palm vein payment, customers are able to pay by just hovering their registered hand over a palm vein scanner for seconds. Fujitsu is looking forward to rolling out the system into supermarkets for payments soon. Thanks for watching.
Here is our reference.